Eat healthy food to live healthy. Healthy food. List of contents. Why is eating healthy food important? Healthy daily menu. Tips for selecting and preparing healthy food. Healthy food components. Why is eating healthy food important? Eating healthy foods is important because it provides the nutrients the body needs to carry out its essential functions. These nutrients include vitamins, minerals, protein, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates. Healthy foods support cell growth and repair, maintain energy balance, and can improve the immune system. Healthy foods can also play a role in maintaining mental balance and providing stable energy throughout the day. By choosing foods wisely, we can play an active role in maintaining the health and well-being of our bodies. Healthy food components. Healthy food components consist of various nutrients that the body needs to carry out its important functions. Some of the main components include water, carbohydrates, fiber, protein, vitamins, and minerals. Healthy daily menu. Breakfast, a bowl of oatmeal with pieces of fresh fruit, for example banana or strawberry. A glass of low-fat milk or almond milk. Lunch, mixed vegetable salad with tomatoes, lettuce, cucumber, and carrots. One portion of grilled chicken or tofu as a source of protein. A glass of water. Dinner, grilled fish or tempeh as a source of protein. Broccoli and roasted sweet potatoes as vegetables. A glass of water or herbal tea without sugar. Tips for selecting and preparing healthy food. Pay attention to nutrition labels. Choose healthy cooking methods. Choose fresh foods. Pay attention to the color of vegetables and fruit. Thank you. Do you have any questions?